We're right underneath the giant bird stone overlooking Great Zimbabwe from the other side. It's just very misty and rainy, so it's very difficult to see it. But this is a huge, huge imposing rock that played a very important role in ancient times during the Great Zimbabwe era. And it's quite a climb up here, as you can hear me breathing. It's a spectacular sight just to be able to walk this far, and I look forward to seeing how it turns out a little further up. So just to make it clear, this particular rock overlooks Great Zimbabwe back towards the great enclosure and across to the other side to the hilltop or the Acropolis ruins. Now we carry on up there through the bush. It's quite a trek. We've already been walking for about 20 minutes to get here. And there you go, a bit more of this boulder. It is spectacular. And we've crossed many stone circles and terraces on our way up to this. So now on this side, we're approaching the other side that faces east, that overlooks the Great Zimbabwe and the Acropolis site in that direction. Unfortunately, as you can see, very misty, rainy, beautiful day to do this in. And here we go. Prepare yourself for the energy. Going in right underneath this giant rock, and in between here's the huge crack.
So I don't think the crack is north-south. That's what I want.